Greetings, adventurers. Welcome back aboard our ship where we navigate not only the challenges of the high seas, but also the complex world of business management. Today, we delve deeper into the concept of material usage variance, guiding our ship with precision and care through resource management. So, let's set the course towards understanding and mastering these treacherous waters. Remember, mates, navigating through the business sea requires a compass, and in the world of variance, the compass is our formula. The material usage variance formula is quite straightforward. To calculate material usage variance, subtract the actual quantity used from the standard quantity expected, then multiply by the standard cost per unit. This calculation reveals whether the winds have been favorable or if we've faced unexpected squalls, pushing us off course by using more materials than planned, indicated by coins slipping through our fingers. Let's apply our newfound knowledge to various landscapes. Imagine a shipyard where majestic vessels are crafted. If a ship was planned to use 100 tons of timber, priced at 500 coins per ton, but the craftsman ended up using 110 tons, our formula sails to the rescue. Material usage variance is equal to the difference of 100 tons and 110 tons multiplied by 500 coins. This gives us negative 5,000 coins. A twist in our tale. We've used more timber, costing us an extra 5,000 coins, indicating unfavorable variance. Moving to a construction site, where a towering lighthouse is to be built to guide our ships home. The blueprint calls for 200 tons of stone. If our diligent builders manage to erect the beacon using only 190 tons, with the stone priced at 600 coins per ton, our variance compass points to favorable waters. Material usage variance is calculated by deducting 200 tons with 190 tons and multiplying the product to 600 coins. This gives 6,000 coins saved, a testament to our crew's efficiency. Now, picture a bustling tavern by the docks, serving hearty meals to hungry sailors. Food is prepared with care, but at the day's end, considerable waste tells a tale of excess. If our standard calls for 500 kilograms of provisions weekly, valued at 2 coins per kilogram, but usage hits 550 kilograms, we're adrift. Material usage variance is calculated by subtracting 550 kilos from 500 kilos. This difference is multiplied by 2 coins, resulting in negative 100 coins. Our provisions have cost us more, revealing a need to right our course. Fear not, for no storm lasts forever. As captains of our vessels, we can steer towards calmer waters with meticulous planning and efficient practices. Regularly updating our standards to reflect the current climate, training our staff in the art of precision and conservation, and revisiting our processes to find more efficient paths are but a few strategies to tighten the grip on our valuable materials and coins. By mastering material usage variance, we not only safeguard our coins but ensure our ventures, be they majestic ships, towering lighthouses, or humble taverns, thrive in harmony with the seas. Our journey may be filled with unknowns, but armed with knowledge and the right tools, we can chart a course for success and sustainability. As we dock at the port of knowledge, remember, the sea of business is vast and full of challenges. Yet, with careful navigation, a steady hand, and an unwavering spirit, there's no storm we can't weather. Keep your charts up to date, your resources in check, and your eyes on the horizon. Together, we'll sail towards a future of prosperity and purpose. Thank you for joining me on this voyage through the intricacies of material usage variance. May your ventures be fruitful and your paths illuminated by the beacon of knowledge. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.